Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how to start shadowing practice that can change your English, that can help to improve your English. Okay, so I am Komal and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video very first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, before this video I already cover how to start shadowing practice and how to like become fluent speaker in English. Okay, a lot of some topic I already cover in those video. Okay, so this video we will discuss how to start shadowing practice. Okay, shadowing practice I already cover some before 2-3 video ago, but this video I'm going to share with you, like start with me shadowing practice. That means try to repeat this word, try to repeat this sentence again and again. Okay, that can change your mind or your English language. Okay, let's start. Let's speak with me. Okay, I am the great person. I am the great person. I believe myself. Everything I can do it. Each and everything. Each and everything I am able to do. Each and everything, anything, whatever. Okay, then I am the person who always want to improve myself. Always. I am the person who always want to improve my English, my like something better for me. Okay, then I am the person who always want to help with other people, help with other person. I am the person who always want to become successful in my life. Always. Okay, I am the excellent person. I am doing very well in my life. Okay, some sentences or some phrases or some word try to repeat again and again, because of this word is literally improve yourself. Okay, because I am the person who always want to improve myself, so that's why I try to improve myself in every day. Okay, because you know what, these type of shadowing practice, it is help to improve yourself, right? So try to do this. Okay, and you know what, shadowing practice, that means that's not like very hard practice or like very hard something. No, this is simple English practice, like a simple word or simple phrases, it is repeat again and again, that's it. That is like simple. Okay, so you are beginners like English, so you must start to shadowing practice, because you know what, uh, we are like some person who always want to improve your English, but they have no idea, they have no right path to improve yourself, right? So try to take something efforts to improve your English, because you know what, first effort is like reading, writing, and then second is shadowing practice. Okay, shadowing practice of the beginnings of day, it is literally helpful to end of English. Okay, because you should start to shadow English, because of shadowing, that means some uh, words or some phrases, listen, like we are listen something, so some words in like in mind, and you can try to repeat again and again, right? So you have to start English shadowing practice. Okay, because of they are literally help to improve your English, right? And you are the person who always want to improve your English, so watch my video, watch my previous video. I always want to improve myself, so that's why I record my video every time. That means I have some time, so I try to record my video. And you know what, you are doing a lot of efforts to improve your English, to speak English, right? You are giving a lot of something practice or something doing very well to improve your English, but your English is not improved, your English is don't improve. So how to improve English? You are wake up early in the morning, so stand, take a stand, and one question, ask yourself, why you are want to speak English, why you want to improve yourself. So ask this question yourself, and this answer is literally in front of you. But this question, ask yourself, because everything you want to improve yourself, everything you want to uh, are doing better in your life. So that's why behind a lot of reason. So you know already what something reason in your life why your English is not improve, why your some work is don't improve. So this reason you know already, this reason in front of you, but try to better way, try to take a option, best option for you, and try to doing this path, better path of you. Okay, so you know already what are you doing, why you want to improve English, like a good job or like best path, something whatever you know already. But take action and stand in your life and try to be focused on your goal, try to be focused on your path. Okay, achievement. So try this and don't give up, don't give up. Okay, try to continue, try to be consistent in your life and try to improve yourself. Okay, you have to improve. Okay, that is the best option, that is the best opportunity, because this time is never come again and again. Okay, that is the constant of time, this time never again and again. Okay, so try to improve yourself, try to improve your journey, and you should try, you should do this. Okay, so this video like you, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.